Taking learning outdoors offers students valuable hands-on experiences with their surroundings. Try the Living Schoolyard Activity Guide with your class to promote place-based learning, artistic creativity, and ecological stewardship. Check out our back-to-school teacher guides for middle school and high school teachers. Created in partnership with Climate Science, CFR Education, and Children's Environmental Literacy Foundation.